Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX and we'll show you guys if your horn, on the steering wheel doesn't work guys, which fuse you need to check. We'll guys have more than 200 videos guys on this car and every car we get at the shop, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Like the video and leave a comment below guys, let us know if the video was helpful. So you have guys, sometimes you have a fuse, you have a relay as well for the horn. Make sure you check out all the videos. In today's video we'll demonstrate where the fuse is. That is the number one reason why the horn doesn't work. So let's start on it now. So we have a 2009 Lincoln MKX and I'll demonstrate here guys how the horn doesn't work now. Okay, let me just get inside. I'll turn the ignition on. Key in. Ignition on. Okay, our battery is a little bit weak, but eventually guys, okay, it will turn and no horn. So let me explain now how we're going to fix that now. So if you come down here guys by the pedals, okay, we pushed our park brake pedal down, so we have more room. You have that cover here, pull that thing to the side, grab it, pull it out, perfect. Now the fuse guys that we're looking at, okay, it's the fifth fuse guys, okay, the fifth fuse right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from top to bottom. Okay, the second row from left to right under the relay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 amp fuse right here. I'll go ahead, remove it guys with a fuse puller. And if you guys need to buy replacement fuses, check out in the description of the video below. We'll have the link where you can get them from. The whole assembly comes with a fuse puller as well, free fuse puller, and the price is unbelievably affordable, so please check it out guys. That we share the links for your convenience. Okay, we're going to put that one in. And now I'm going to go ahead and see if that will take care of our problem now, or we need to see something else. So that definitely works. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.